Hey guys, welcome back, and this is Manish Verma. So in previous video I had made a video about Plasma Desktop, top feature of Plasma Desktop. But in this video I will making some Manjaro because I am using right now Manjaro Desktop, which is based on Arch Linux. So we are facing some common issue in Manjaro, so let's discuss this common issue. So first I will tell you which is common issues are there. Like first, in console, if you are developer, then you might face that console color. Then what you have to do or change the appearance, because there is some customization is a little bit difficult, but it's not impossible. So I will explain with you. And one more thing is how to download the Chrome software or Chrome browser, how to download VS Code from their official website. So it's not too easy to download it. So how you can install in your system from the app store. So this kind of issue which we are facing in default Manjaro. So what we have to do to tackle these issues. So let's get started. So first thing first, we have to go in console. So in console right now, my console, that's why I have make some customization. So how you can customize it? The first thing first, you have to go into the setting and current profile. You can also right click here and go into the edit current profile. Now appearance. So here I am using my Linux color appearance. If you seeing here Linux color appearance, by default it's come by breed 2. Breed 2 is not too good as per my suggestion or as per my perspective, but I want to change something new, that's why. Or if you want to see that reflection like this, you just have to move your cursor on these option, like I am on to the top, second, third, fourth. So this kind of you can just see which it is suitable for you or not. So what you have to do to change internally, as I selected Linux color, so just go in the Linux color, edit. So here you can see that right now I have 8 colors, so it's by default. So you just have to change the color, just click on it, and now you can able to set some different color like this, and you just have to click OK. But I don't want to change it now, so right now I'm clicking on cancel. So that's how you have to change your theme ultimately of console application. And after that I like to discuss about, if you making a video on YouTube and if you want to record your screen to make some presentation or upload somewhere. So here is the software which is simple screen recorder. It's too light and it's too convenient to use, but here is one issue when you installing this software. When you installing this software in your default Manjaro, you feel like flicker thing or glimpse thing, glance thing in the application or in the video. So what you have to do here, just go into the setting. Whenever you install the whenever you install the simple screen recorder, so must you have to do one thing, which is display monitor. You just have to click here and in the compositor. So here compositor, the value in vsync is something different, like it's automatic or might be full screen repaint. So what you have to do here, you just have to change your value to never. Okay, you just have to select never value and save it. Then you can easily show that see that your screen recorder is work smoothly. So this is the second issue there are a lot of people facing. So this is the solution. Okay, so next one is app store. So what you have to do to install your app, like the utility app like Chrome, if you are programmer, then you have to install the VS Code, Sublime Text, Postman. So there are a lot of apps which are available in their website, but it's little bit complicated to install in the system, in Linux system majorly. So what you have to do here, this is the home page of the App Store. You just have to click here menu and go into the preferences. They will ask you password. You have to enter the passwords. No, yeah. So in this preferences you have to change little bit settings, like right now I have selected the AUR file, which is Arc user repository. So basically Arc user repository will import or fetch the repository from the Arc server. Right now we are using Manjaro, as we know that. So Manjaro is different operating system, but it's based on Arc. So we have permission to use Arc repository. That's why here is the support of Arc. So what you have to do here, you just have to enable it, and next Snap. If some software is not available in AUR, then you can easily access it by Snap, by Flatpak, and anything else. So these three repository, which is third party repository. So Arc AUR is not means risky repository, like someone thinking that AUR is third party repository, means if you download from AUR, so it might be your application will crash, or it might be virus will become in your system. So it is very rare case that the application which you downloading from Arc it will be cracked. It's very rare case, but I really suggest you that you have to install your repository via AUR. So it's too convenient and too easy to install any repository from your App Store, like Windows and Apple or Mac OS. So that's kind of OS is comparatively same here. Okay, so let's close it. So when you select this kind of AUR, Snap, Flatpak, so then you can easily see that here you just have to search something like I have to search Chrome. So it will be searched now. So yeah, here is the packages, and Chrome softwares are available in the zip file. So what you have to do here, you have to go in the repository which is Chrome norm shell. It is not a official Chrome software. You have to go in the AUR, and as you see here, I already have installed Google Chrome. That's why you can see here remove. So in your system you just see here installed or build. So what you have to do here is click on installed button and apply it here. Okay, so then it's automatically install the software, and you can enjoy the Chrome software after the installation. So this is 3 common issue the newbies of Manjaro are facing. So this is the solution video of common issues. So in upcoming video I am making some videos about deep dive in the Manjaro and KDE Plasma desktop of 2020. So you can understand how the Manjaro and how the KDE Plasma work, and what is the features are available in Manjaro. So let's see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.